everyone, this is Reynolds, and in this occasion, we're gonna continue with the video that we were making before. I'm going to open here my code editor, and we're gonna put the video just right on the left side here. So before we start, we're gonna pray, okay? Because that is what is missing sometimes. Dear Father in heaven, please take care of this, and that this is blessed by you and is approved by you, so that it becomes acceptable in your eyes. Sorry, because we are so arrogant, and sometimes we are gossipers. We should not be such. Help us to be better as you want us to be perfect, as your Father is perfect, and merciful and humble. Thank you, because you have come even to restore what has been lost. In your name we trust and wait. Okay, now I'm just going to check here where I was with this video. As I can see here, and this part here is similar to this. So I will continue just right in there. See, as you can see, this part I have already did it. I mean, I done it. I have done it. He's about to start the part that I'm. Okay, he's here now. Now you may be wondering what is split. Split is just to cut the string in a space that you indicate. What is interesting is that he's copying now. He will copy just this part here, and after that he will paste it down here. And let me see. We wanna start with uh, apparently he erased this one here. Um, and also he erased this one as well. Um, let's continue. Now the name here is pieces images, and this is called also pieces images. Up on here, sorry, here. Okay. Now, um, set of pieces is the name of this. This set of pieces is called just right below here. You may be wondering why this function is called below. Well, just right because of what I told you before. Each function is calling is like connected with the other. So when you call the other one, you are allowing the next one to run. If you put it in a different way, it may not work correctly. Okay? So let's continue now with this function allow drop ev that prevent default. Now we want to go function drag ev. Now const pieces ev dot target ev dot data transfer set data text pieces dot ev. Now function drop ev prevent default. Now let data ev dot data transfer get data, text. Being honest, it looks like if he has finished, but actually he hasn't. I mean, we have not worked on the index HTML, so it's not it doesn't have sense that is working right now. So we have to check what he has in the index HTML and in the style.css. But before we do so, we're gonna take here. We're gonna take here. This is text. We're gonna finish this part. Okay. I Please ignore the noise behind me. Please ignore it in the name of Jesus Christ and head of us. Hi and Adam. So let's continue. Const pieces document that get element by ID is data. And here you may see that data is not maybe initialized, but it is. It is here. Okay, now let's continue. Const destination square is equal to ed that current target. And then we're gonna continue. Let destination square id is equal to destination square id. And then destination square dot append child and here pieces. Okay, now you may be wondering, is that everything? To be honest, that is everything that I want to accomplish by the moment. As I told you in the last video, I don't want to make this video very long. So what I'm going to do is that to look for the code, you know, it is on a GitHub repo. And in here, I'm going to look for the index HTML. And as you can see, this index HTML is not iterated. What I mean is that everything is straightforward. And I'm just going to copy that. Being honest, I don't need anything else. I'm just going to copy that code from there. You need to fork this repo to propose changes. Yes, I'm going to fork it. And here I'm going to copy here and okay. See? Mm. Control Shift, Control Shift F is to give format. But I have to install prettier, prettier. I have much time without using this. Being honest, I am kind of down on my on my coding experience comparing in comparison with times before because I am doing more much things now. But I have the same knowledge, and to be honest, I am even aware of more things. I have more patience. I have more control of myself. I have better self-esteem. I have better understanding of the code. I have better a lot of things. I mean, experience. I have experience, and I know that when it comes now to a great project, I can do it even alone. I mean, I don't need like anyone to come and tell me what to do because I know all the process that is behind that. So here we're gonna try to format the code. Um, we're gonna look for the prettier extension that we have installed, and it is. Oh, it is not installed. That's weird. Sorry. Interesting. What an insight. Okay, for the use of this, it says Control P to paste the following comment. You see, no. Yeah, I just wanna know the combination of. I could have even installed it by npm, which is interesting, but to be honest, it's not necessary now. Command Shift P. Okay, let me go here. Um, no. Um, I have to go to the settings here, and on here I'm going to say what are the combination that I want for formatting to formatting the code. Um, okay. Be honest, here is not that configuration. So I wanna look for it on the documentation here. And here says command plus shift plus P format selection. Oh yeah, I got it. I have to select the code and then format document, for example. Configure. I'm going to configure the HTML format coder. And as you can see, it got formatted. But here I need to erase this part as well as this one here. No, that one no. It's just this one. Okay, sorry. That is an edge. Uh, yeah, thank you, but I don't know what how to go calendar right now. Control Shift F, oh, sorry, Control Shift P, format um, document with HTML. As you can see, it got formatted. That was what I wanted. I had a lot of time without using this, and to be honest, there are different ways of formatting the code. I mean, there are even different formatters, I mean, extensions to format the code, sorry. And also, even the Visual Studio Code has a way to format the code by a native way. But I have a lot of time without using it, and I don't remember by this moment. So we're gonna create here the style CSS, and we're gonna go here to the repo again, and we're gonna go to the style. Here I'm going to go again and copy this, just paste it. I'm going to Control Shift P, and then format document. Uh, And here I don't want to force it. I wanna install the CSS language feature. And as you can see, it got formatted. That's what I want. And now we should be able to see the code. How? We can use this extension, which is go live to the of the Visual Studio Code. And in here we can see um, the the board. But here's a problem now. What is the problem now? I need the images. Yes, the images. Um, Curiously, the images are just right here on the on the on the main directory. I'm going to put it on an image directory. Okay. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to put emg, and on here I'm going to open this, and I'm going to save this. Okay, I'm going to go here, and here, and that's it. That is the first image that I got. Um, let me let me take this. Sorry, I'm going to go back. We got the white pound. Now we're gonna go with the black pound. Okay, black pound. We're gonna do it in order. Okay, in that way, we're gonna make sure that we're not making a disaster. So here I'm gonna put black pound. That's it. And after that, I'm going to go here. I'm going to copy now the king, white king, for example. Well, we're gonna go here, copy. Remember, I am not racist at all. I don't care about if you are white or black or blah blah blah. For me, that's the same thing. I am like that. You may not believe it. You may believe it. That's your decision. I am like that. My the, my mother is white and my grandmother is not. And to be honest, for me, they both are the same. They have the same importance to me. But there are people who are wondering about what is more important, blah blah blah. That it comes from something bad, or it does. Listen, it comes because God wants it, and you just have to learn to accept one to each other, however we are. It doesn't matter because you don't know what purpose God has with you with that color that you have in your skin. Maybe He wants you to defend people who are poor and bad treated just because they are in another color, and they are being being taken like if they are Indians, like the movie that I don't like to be honest. And we're gonna go, okay. Black king, black knight. Let's go with the black knight. It's okay. Just not to tempt God. I'll go here, black knight. We're gonna go now with the white bishop, which is this. Uh, in Spanish, this is called alfil. So now we're gonna go with the uh, white knight here. Okay, let's go with the white bishop. I think that I got the white bishop. I don't know. I'm not sure. Yes, I got the white bishop. Let's go with the black bishop. Black bishop. We copy here. And now let's go with the rook. To be honest, I left the rook to the end in purpose. Jesus taught me something about it. You may not believe me, but I know what is my relation with Jesus. I mean, he is my boss, and I am his commander. And that is not like, like a cartoon. You can write it like a cartoon if you want. You have the freedom of doing whatever you want, but I'm saying it. Okay, we're gonna go here now. Sorry. Now when I go here, so this code appeared because I clicked on here to create a QR code. I don't know that by this moment. And this is everything. I think that we got almost all the pieces. Maybe it's missing one. Let me see. We got the white king, I think. We got the black king, we got the white knight, the black knight, the white queen, the black queen, um, the white bishop, the white rook, the black rook. I think that I missed the black bishop, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to check. I'm going to check. Oh, I'm going to check what I could be missing. Look, the pound here, okay, the pound here, okay. The horse, the rook, the king, where is the king? The king, okay, the queen, the bishop, and let me see what is missing. What is what else? I think that we got everything. Yes, we got everything. Okay. After we check that we got everything, we're gonna do just like a redirection on my code. On the code here, I will look for example, white pound, and here I will put all the images that are related to white pound. I'm gonna change it there. I'm gonna replace it by this, for example, white pound that png. I'm gonna change it to white pound because that's the true name that it has here. That png, and also I will put here the emg directory. Okay, just like that. And I'm gonna click here replace all. After that, if I look again, I will find if I look by taking in consideration the upper cases, it will not find anything about this pound. Now we're gonna go with the queen, for example. As you can see here, the black queen is called like this. I'm going to put here like this, um, and I'm gonna put it here. It's just adding the img here at the end. I'm going to replace that, and I'm going to go with the. Let's go with the king that is just right below, and we're gonna write here king. We're gonna save that just in case, you know. And now we're gonna go with the rook, for example, or it can be with the bishop. It's right here, black bishop, black bishop. We're gonna go bishop. I'm gonna copy, paste, and replace both of them. We're gonna save. And now we're gonna go with the knight that is over here. Knight, knight, and we're gonna change all of them. When I wanna go with the rook, 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 and we change all of them. Being honest, I miss the white. I mean white rook. So we wanna put here white rook, and we change all of them. Now we're gonna go with the knight, and we're gonna copy here, paste, and change all of them. White bishop, same thing, change all of them. Uh, White rook, white knight, white bishop, white queen, white rook. Okay. If I am not wrong, all the images are kind of well located. Sometimes it gives an error. And the pound apparently I need to point to it. And I mean it's missing that pound. But I changed the white one. Okay? If I am not wrong, to be honest. Let's go with the white just to see. Yes, I changed it. That was the first one. Now, if I go here, look, the pieces are there. But here is missing the queen and the king of the white. I don't know why. Maybe because I missed it, and that's normal. Everyone can make a mistake. That is totally normal. So we're gonna go here. Um, Boom. White bishop. No, it was white bishop. Sorry, I changed something that I should not have changed. Okay, now is the king and the queen. I put white, I put black, and it's white. Okay, I'm gonna go here. Here says black, and if I am not wrong, this one should be white. Black, sorry, black, and this is okay. Okay, the king is there, but the queen is not. So let's go with the queen. Queen. I'm gonna put a case sensitive. Uh, white king. Queen, sorry. We can even write it here in IME and last. And that is everything. Now I can move the pieces. If I'm not wrong, it should move the pieces. Oh, yeah. I need to make sure that the code that I wrote on JavaScript is pointing to the images correctly. I mean, document query selector IMG. Yes, it's pointing to them. Let's go here. Apparently, it is not able to be moved because maybe on the tutorial yet I have not done something which has escaped from my view. I mean, from my side. That is totally normal because there are many things that I have done. You can expect to do everything perfect just at once. Okay, I'm going to go here, drop event prevent default, data, event, data, transfer, get data, text. Okay, data, data, event, pieces, event target, this is ID, ID, sorry, ID, destination square ID. That is interesting because it is moving the pieces, but actually the ID is not on the HTML. The ID is being set by this function here, set of pieces. So I'll drop is just right down here. Drop is just right down here. And drag, where do we use drag? That is the function that we are missing, the drag. Okay. So for me not to repeat the this tutorial, and as many people say, do not invent the wheel again. I'm going to go here, and I'm going to where is the I want to go here to my profile, and here I should have the repository fork. So I will look for the fork repository, and this one, and this chess game, and I think that is this one chessboard. Okay, on here, as you can see on here is not uh, the JavaScript. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to look for maybe for the number two, and in there I'm going to look for the main.js. As you can see here, he has a lot of things that I don't want. To be honest, I don't want all that code because it won't have sense for me. I just want a game not without the rules, but I wanted just to show how we can continue it and finish it. Because it is written, you will not put Jesus into test. So what I'm going to do now is just to look for where does he use that function drag, and the drag is here. Look, that is the drag. This one here. I'm going just to copy that and I'm going to put it here. But also I need to know where he used the drag event. Okay, here in the setup pieces, he used drag star. Look, here I put drag over, but he used drag star. Um, oh, sorry, it's here. Drag star, allow drop. Okay. He changed that part. So what I'm going to do is just to put drag here. Let's test it just to see if it works now. No, it's not working yet. I think that is because of the navigator. Let's go to Edge. Maybe here is working. No, it's the same thing. It is that it's allowed. It's enabled the restricted way of reading the code. It means that everything should be placed in the cleanest way possible. And to be honest, that's okay. And to be honest, that should be always be like that. That is like when you are making a question. If you make that question and the person does not answer correctly, but tells you just something that has kind of sense, but actually is not truth, at the end he is just leading you to your own disaster. And yes, that also is similar um, to the movie God's Not Dead. I know that. Yes, it is similar. I'm going to go here and I'm going to have realized that this function completely is only one function. You know, it starts here, but it also is like connected all those things together. So I'm going to put it like if it is just the same function. Okay, I formatted the code. Now let's go here to my chessboard and let's see. Nope, yet I'm not able to move my chessboard. Drop, let's see the drop here. To be honest, that drop event is incredibly incredibly complicated. So, oh yeah, I got what is the problem. The problem also is that here, this is not calling the main JS. I mean, I have to go here to the index HTML, and on here I have to call the main.js. It is usually called on on the bottom of the page. Sorry because I forgot that that is a beginner mistake, but also everyone can make a mistake. Okay, I got it. To be honest, I got that here. Here it says that it is good to add the jQuery library, but I won't need it by the moment. So I'm going to just put app.js because I like it more than with that name. So here now we got one error and set up board the squares is not defined. It's not defined. The thing is that now the code as I copy from the other one from the man, um, I got things that are, let's put just a drag. Reading added a listener. Now I am using my personal code and the one that I wrote, and it says that it can find the added listener of this. So what I'm going to do is just put a breakpoint here, and I'm going to run it again. And now I'm going to look for what is this. Let me see. Here this is the board square and it says line height 75. Okay. Um, to be honest, I don't know if that's totally correct. But what I want to know is what is this? So let's continue here with the next, and we will be able to see what it is. As you can see, it says undefined. So that's the reason why it is making an error. It is giving an error, sorry. And why is the error? Let's check what we have the different on the code that this man has here. Because being honest, it should be the same. So let's go here to um, set up board squares. And as you can see, this is the same thing. As you can see, this is allowed drag. The drag is on set of pieces. Okay. As I can see, everything is the same, to be honest. But why it is not working? No idea. Here, I know that I can, you know, look for this, for example, and to check that even the HTML. And let's see something. That should not change, but maybe it is changing. I don't know because that man has very he has many tutorials. So no, being honest is the same. Okay, that's interesting. Why? For the ones that are wondering if I have ate or eaten something, no. I ate a pancake, and in some minutes maybe I will get my lunch. But I'm not thinking on it right now. Being honest, this is kind of confusing because it is pointing there, but how can I say that? I am not an expert using the cycles, and I don't like even the four cycles because of that. When I write code, my code is kind of more advanced. And sorry for the ones that get offended by it, but it's true. I usually use a for each instead of for almost always. For each is like this. But the difference of a for each and a for is that the for each is is capable of taking one thing and just that one and cycle between everything that is inside of the cycle, but no more and not exactly until a point, you know. And for me, that is more logical than having like a wheel, rolling uh, from a mountain that you don't even know. I don't know if you got it, but let's go here and I'm just going to make myself like I wrote the that code bad, and to be honest, it can be bad. I am not a fanatic of my own code. For me, that's okay. So I'm just going to copy this part here, and I'm going to put it here. This is set up word. Yes. And let's see something. Let me see something. What may be different? I'm going to put it a new. Okay, let's go back here. Let's compare. Board square. Board squares. I drag over, allow drop, drop, row 8, minus math, floor, I, divided into 8, column, string, 4, from, charcoal, code, 97 plus I, percentage, 8. There is something important. There is the parable of the full rich. This man said inside of him, he said, I am rich enough. I am going to party, celebrate, and rest because I have riches in even to spare. And God told him, oh fool, this night your life is gonna be taken, and to whom is going to be that which you have saved? So this is the same here. I can't just copy and paste because I wrote this code and I know that it is not bad. I mean, but just to test the code of him, confronting it with mine, I'm just going to I'm just going to take his and copy it. Let's see. Let's see now what is it? What could be the error? Apparently, it didn't give error. Boy, reading length, boy squares. Boy. Family. Okay, look, the problem here now is that uh, the the word has another name. I mean, board squares, Draco, where's the okay, I am still interested into knowing what was my error. Yes, for real. I am still interested into knowing what was my error. Because everything is okay. But as you can see, when something is like that, that everything is okay, and you see that your code is too similar, you don't have to be an extremist. I mean, God said that He loves humbleness, and humbleness sometimes is to recognize that sometimes you can see everything. And here, the problem is that it does not recognize the length of border squares. So I'm going to look here, what is border squares? I'm going to look at to the top, in the beginning. As you can see, border square is this. And I don't have it here. I don't have it on my code. Oh yeah, I have it. But the thing is that instead of using get elements by class name, I used query set. So let's go and change this whole part here. Why? I know why. I'm going to explain you why. Get elements by class name. The difference is that this is getting all the elements that has this class. But the other one that is query selector usually only select the element. I mean, actually it does not only select the element, it selects all of them, but it makes it as a node. When I say as a node, I mean that it is something that is selected. How can I say it? That is selected not in a group, but like nodes, nodes that needs to be like rich, and it's a different way of treating them. It's like for example, um, having a bottle of water, okay, and having a container of water. Both of them have water, but you don't get water in the same way. It's the same situation here, okay? So let's test this. I think that we still don't get that working. Well, I will leave the video until here because um we have to know and remember that God has put some limits that we have to respect. If we learn to respect those limits, our life is going to be better. God reference is white term is not defined. To be honest, the problems that are now here, um, I think that I could even, um, you know, comment them. Let's see. Let's see. Prevent default is verified. Oh, that is bad written. It says prevent default. Sorry because of that. Prevent default as that is not the right way. Is default. It's like fault on baseball. You know. Okay, let's check now. I was about to leave because I got my lunch, but if I am able to see a progress here, that is better. And yes, I got a progress because as you can see, there is only one error, destination square. And I could even look for that destination square here. Destination square. Uh, destination square. It was just right up in there. Remember that Jesus said, "Come to me, all of you who are weary and have heavy burden, because my yoke is easy, and my carry and my worry and my burden is light." Let me see. What is that? I have updated this. Oh no. Destination is square open child pieces. If I see that I can finish it fast, it's better to finish it rather than just leave it. That is in the drop area here. Let's check something. This is the last time that I want to check. Until here, when I move here, and I'm gonna check this. What is this? So this is working. This is working. Yes, this is working. Um, Oh, I get it. I know what is happening. The problem is that these cannot accept the append. Why? I don't know. Destination square from that append. Yes, it does not accept that. I will leave the video until here. To be honest, we have progressed a lot. You can see that here it does not has like the cross like the X that it had. Now it had a plus sign. So for the moment that is okay. See you in the next video. And God bless you. Remember to bless your family and to pray for every one of you that you care about. Bye bye.